Hi traders! Ready to make the most of advanced charts from the XM website? Let's explore how to customize your chart view, apply tools, and manage trades all in one place. Choose any symbol and you'll see that the advanced chart opens automatically. Change the time frame below, select 1D. Do note that this will only adjust your chart view. Use the toolbar on the left to annotate, apply trend lines, and apply indicators in the menu up top. To place a trade, select Sell or Buy, and you can set a pending order by hovering over the price you'd prefer. Select the plus icon and sell or buy accordingly. Once placed, your pending order will appear on the chart. To close the trade, you simply need to select the X icon on the chart. And that's it! Advanced charts give you the flexibility and tools to trade with precision, wherever you are. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.